Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Thursday, December 27th, 2018. I'm getting a little bit of a cold here, so just bear with me a little bit. Alright, so here's what's going on right now. And again, it's like we are in some kind of alternate reality. And I want to talk about that. So, as I am doing this video blog, stocks are down pretty hard. The Dow Jones Industrial Average alone is down about 400 points. Let's put a perspective on that first. So, Monday, we get a sell-off in the stock market. Dow finished down 653. Yesterday, we get this surge in the stock market, which we're going to talk about. Dow puts on 1,086 points. Now, today, we're down 400 for a net gain of 0. Yeah, it's looking real good. Isn't this market just looking so strong right now? Who knows where this market's going to end today? But let me explain this to you about yesterday's surge in the market and a little more. If it were not for President Trump's buy recommendation yesterday and for his Treasury Secretary, Steve Mnuchin, meeting with 6 of the world's largest banks, which just happened to be on Wall Street, yesterday would have been another day of heavy losses in this market. What we witnessed right before our eyes was politics and Wall Street rigging exemplified. And let me put another perspective on this for you. So, people are like cheering that the president nailed it. He got it right yesterday with his buy recommendation. Let's see. The stock market at the time he made that recommendation was 5,000 points off of its high. Well, let me ask you, if the president is so smart, why didn't he tell everyone to sell when the Dow Jones Industrial Average had topped out 5,000 points higher? It would have saved a lot of people, probably about 20% of their portfolio. But no. Our president had to wait for the Dow to fall 5,000 points, make a buy recommendation, stocks gain 1,000 points, a little over that, and everyone thinks he's a hero. You've got to be kidding me. So let's see. Stocks fall 20% from their high, and then yesterday put on 1/27th, a fraction of its loss overall, and people think that everything is just great, and now stocks are down 400. If you tried, I swear to you, you could not make this stuff up. It's incredible. What else is going on here? Well, if you happen to be watching the bond market, and I know that's exactly what my Lions are doing, yield curve is essentially flat now. 10-year yield is dropping again. All kinds of bad signs everywhere. Nothing has been resolved with China. This trade truce dog nonsense, whatever you want to call it, is going to continue on. Oh yeah, yesterday a fake story was floated out about some mid-level, why isn't it a high level? Mid-level meeting that's going to happen early January, we don't know when, between the United States and China. So we're going to get a mid-level meeting. What does that mean, mid-level? Okay, whatever. And they're doing everything they can. Right now we are literally watching politics and Wall Street try to rig this market to the nth degree to keep it propped up. And they can do all they want. They can continue to try. I don't think it's going to work. We're in a lot of trouble here. The world is slowing down. It's not just the United States. And that bond market, that yield curve, it's just not looking good. Cryptocurrencies are down. Gold and silver are catching a bid right now. So anyway, you know exactly what you should be looking at. But honestly, can you believe what we're seeing right before our eyes? You can't make this up. Last 3 trading days, as of right now, we have a net gain of 0. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is still 4,000 points plus away from its high. We had this absolute in-our-face rigging of the markets between the President of the United States and Wall Street. I mean, if anyone can't see this, you need to go see a doctor. Seriously, and I'm not talking about one for a cold. I need like a mental doc, because this is crazy what we're witnessing here. And I nailed this to the wall. And for everyone yesterday that told me how wrong I was, that bought stocks yesterday, how are you feeling today? You feeling really good? I'm sure you are. All right, with that said, I will see all of you at the end of the day. It's going to be just awesome.